Hi everybody, this is Martin Mason with Rate 1 Financial and welcome back to another episode of Mortgage Mind. We're at tip and trick number 15 and it's called mixed use properties. Okay, so first of all, a definition of a mixed use property for those of you who don't know. A mixed use property is a property that has mixed uses of both commercial use and residential use. For example, let's say you have a two-story building on a street that's somewhat busy and has a lot of businesses on it. Perfect example would be a two-story building where the bottom ground level story of the building is for commercial use, for a business to be operated and run out of. And then the second story would be the residential use of that property, where it's like an apartment that has a bathroom and a kitchen and everything you need to live in. That's a mixed use property. And this would be perfect for somebody that maybe owns a doctor's office or a beauty salon, or maybe even owns a small grocery store / convenience store and wants to own the building that they operate their business out of, which in this case would be, for my example, would be the ground level, and then they can live in the upstairs part, which is the residential part. So this is perfect for those business owners that want to live close to where they work and operate their business out of. So Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA all say they'll actually give you a loan if you're a buyer and want to buy such a property and you are planning to live in the residential part of the property as your primary residence, as well as own and operate your own business from the commercial part of the property. So this is great for those people in that boat. If you want to find out more if this loan program can help you or someone you know that's a business owner buy a property like that, give us a call or give your loan officer a call. Like I said, FHA, VA, they all do it. All right, so hopefully that helps. Stay tuned for our next Mortgage Mind, and thank you for tuning in today. We appreciate it. If you like what we're doing, please like and follow and share on our social media. Thank you.